Good morning, students of class 8A. In the period of algebra, we are solving exercise 10A, algebraic expression and identities. Question number 4. The question is to subtract the following expressions. Roman number 1. Subtract 2y square from y square. From y square. So we write at first y square, then minus, then the first term that is written in the question, that is 2y square. Here we keep in mind what is written after from, that will write at first, and what is written before from, that will write at last, and between these two we will give the minus because we are asked to subtract. I repeat, what is written after from we write at first, and what is written before from we write at last, and between these two we give the sign of minus because we are asked to subtract. So y square minus 2y square. Now see, this plus and minus, y square has plus and 2y square has minus. Plus minus minus. It means we will subtract these two. We will subtract smaller from greater. 2y square minus y square became y square. Now, between these two we will compare which term is greater. We see 2y square is greater and it has minus sign, so minus will come here. I repeat this. What is written after from we will write at first, and what is written before from we will write at last. Between these two we will keep the sign of minus because we are asked to subtract. In the next step, it has plus, y square has plus and 2y square has minus. Plus minus minus, we multiplied these two signs. Plus minus minus, we got minus. It means we will subtract these two. Is smaller from greater. Y square is smaller, 2y square is greater. So we will subtract y square from 2y square. So we get y square. Now we will compare these two. Which one is greater? Y square is greater or 2y square is greater? So we decided 2y square is greater. Since it has minus sign, so this minus sign will come here. Roman number 3, the question is subtract minus 2abc from minus 7abc. So we write minus 7abc at first. We give the sign of minus because we are asked to subtract, and after that we wrote minus 2abc. As we have expressed in the question Roman number 1, that what is written after from you write at first. So here minus 7abc is written after from, so we will write at first minus 7abc, and then we keep the minus sign because we are asked to subtract. Then what is written before from we write that. Before from is minus 2abc, I wrote minus 2abc. Enclosing in the bracket. Why did I enclose in the bracket? Because these two same sign can't come together. To separate this minus from this minus, we enclose this minus 2abc in bracket. So again I repeat this. What is written after from you write at first, and what is written before from you write at last. Between these two you give the sign of minus. In this question minus 7abc is written after from, so I wrote at first. And minus 2abc is written before from, I wrote here minus 2abc. Between these two I gave the sign of minus because we are asked to subtract. Now in this step minus 7abc and this minus minus plus 2abc. This minus minus plus 2abc. Minus 7abc plus 2abc. Now again we come to multiply these two signs. Minus plus minus. We are getting minus. It means we will subtract. We will subtract smaller from greater. 2ABC is smaller and 7ABC is greater. So we will subtract 2ABC from minus 7ABC, from 7ABC. So we got 5ABC. I wrote here 5ABC. Now we will compare which term is greater. 7ABC is greater or 2ABC is greater. So we decided 7ABC is greater. Since it has minus sign, so the sign of greater term will come here with this subtraction, minus 5ABC. Here in this step I repeat, we multiply, because at this place the students are confused. What will they do? They will do addition or subtraction. That idea comes from the multiplication of these two signs. I multiplied minus and plus. Minus plus minus, I got minus. This gives the idea that we have to subtract. This minus gives the idea that we have to subtract. If plus will come, then we will add. But here minus is coming after multiplication, these two signs, so we will subtract. We will subtract smaller from greater. 2ABC is smaller and 7ABC is greater, so I subtracted 2ABC from 7ABC. I got 5ABC and I wrote here 5ABC. Now about the sign. The sign of greater term will come here. In these two terms, greater term is 7ABC and it has minus sign, so minus will come here. Answer became minus 5ABC. Question number 5. The question is 6x square minus 9xy minus 3y square from 12x square minus 3xy minus 5y square. We are asked to subtract. So what is written after from, I wrote at first and closing in the bracket. And what is written before from, I wrote at last, and between these two I gave the sign of minus because we are asked to subtract. In the next step I have omitted this bracket. This became 12x square minus 3xy minus 5y square. And to omit this bracket, we multiply all the signs by minus. So minus plus minus 6x square, minus minus plus 9xy, minus minus plus 3y square. To omit the bracket, this bracket, I multiplied the signs of all these three terms by this minus. Now, we identify the like terms. 12x square and 6x square, these two are like terms, so we will solve these two. 12x square minus 6x square means clearly 6x square we subtracted, minus 3xy plus 9xy, plus minus minus we will subtract smaller from greater, 9xy minus 3xy 6xy, sign will come of greater number, it has plus, so plus will come here. This two are like terms, minus 5y square plus 3y square, minus, so at first we multiply these two sign minus and plus, we get minus, minus plus minus. It means that we will subtract smaller from greater number. 3y square is smaller, 5y square is greater, so I subtracted 3y square from 5y square. It became 2y square. I repeat at this point. Minus plus means what will you do? The main confusion among the students is that what will you do? 5y square and minus 5y square and 3y square, you will add or you will subtract. What will you do? For that we multiply the signs of 5y square and 3y square. It has minus sign, it has plus sign, I multiplied this minus plus minus. It means we will subtract a smaller term from the greater term. 3y square is a smaller term and 5y square is greater term, so I subtracted it. And I got 2y square, means 5y square minus 3y square equal to 2y square. Now about the sign. We decide about the greater term, 5y square is greater, 3y square is smaller. And greater term has the minus sign, so minus will come here. So answer became 6x square plus 6xy minus 2y square. Now, Roman number 7. There are two expressions. Minus, we are asked, minus 5a square plus 13ab plus 9b square plus 5 from 6a square minus 17ab minus 12b square minus 7. Means subtract this from this. So what is written after from we will write at first, and what is written before from I wrote at last. Between these two I kept the minus sign. To separate this, I enclosed both the expressions inside the bracket. That I have done in Roman number 5 also. In the next step, we omit the bracket. Simply we will omit the bracket and all the terms will be carried here. But to omit this bracket, we will multiply the sign of all the terms by this minus. So minus minus plus 5a square, minus plus minus 13ab, minus plus minus 9b square, minus plus minus 5. Now we will identify the like terms. 6a square plus 5a square. 6a square and 5a square, these two are the like terms. As per sign, these two should be added. Here is plus, here is plus. So plus 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 will be, it will be added. 6a square plus 5a square equal to 11a square. And the sign will come of the greater term. It is greater term, it has plus sign, so plus came here. Now in the second, minus 17ab and minus 13ab, these two are the like terms. Now we multiplied these two sign, minus minus plus. Plus is coming, so these two terms will be added. 17 plus 13 became 30ab. As sign will come of the greater term. 17ab is greater than 13ab and it has minus sign, so minus will come, minus 30ab. Next, like terms, minus 12b square minus 9b square. What will you do? We will add or subtract. To decide this, multiply the sign of both these terms. It has minus sign, it has also minus sign, so minus minus plus. Since the multiplication is being plus, so we will add these two terms. 12b square and 9b square became 21b square. And the sign will come of greater number, greater term, that is minus, so minus 21b square. Minus 7 and minus 5, these two are the like terms. Multiply the sign, minus minus plus means we will add these two. 7 plus 5, 12. And the sign will come of greater term, minus 7 is greater, it has minus sign, so minus came here, minus 12 became the result. So in this way the answer of Roman number 7 became 11a square minus 30ab minus 21b square minus 12.